I'm going to talk about addition and subtraction with regards to complex numbers. So if I have a complex number such as 3 plus 4i, and I want to add it to the complex number, let's say minus 2 plus 5i. All right, so what does it mean to add complex numbers? How is that defined? And it's just a definition. It's just a game that people agreed upon. At some point in the past, they made the rules for this. All right, just like you would make up a card game. So the rules are that we add up what we call the real parts. That's the terms that don't have I in them. And then we also add up the imaginary parts. Those are the two different like terms. Okay, so we're going to add the 3 and the negative 2. Those are the two real parts. And then we're going to add the 4i and the 5i. Those are the imaginary parts. And putting it all together, that's going to give us 1 plus 9i. All right, so notice we added two complex numbers and got a new complex number for the answer. Okay? Now, you can also similarly define subtraction. Let's say we had 7 plus 2i, and we wanted to subtract 3 plus 4i. All right, so once again we we combine the real parts and the imaginary parts, and so we form two differences. So this would be 7 minus 3 would be the difference of the real parts, and then 2i minus 4i would be the difference of the imaginary parts, and all that would boil to this new complex number, 4 minus 2i. All right, or if you prefer for some reason, you could also say 4 plus minus 2i. All right, same thing. All right, if you prefer addition. So that's how addition and subtraction work for complex numbers. And you'll do more examples in the homework, and some of the examples will have positive numbers, some of them will have negative numbers. You can even have decimals, fractions, all right, but it's still the same idea. You pair off the like terms and add them together, or subtract, whatever you're doing.